joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 Mustang GT Premium Coupe in Oxford White. It's a California special with the black stripe mid-body. It also has a spoiler as well as quad exhaust, navigation, backup camera with backup sensors. It also has the anti-theft and limited slip axle. It's a 5-liter V8 and it's a rear-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and it's this nice leather with split suede inserts as well as the red stitching, and not only does it look good, they're quite comfortable. Your lighting controls are located here. There's a little bin to put items, and the release for your trunk is located there. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your media with volume, cruise control with adaptive cruise control, dash controls, as well as your navigation and hands-free dialing. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash you're going to see your odometer reading, and as well you have got different options there that are customizable. And in the center you have your display screen. We can touch on the sources, and you're seeing AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got your navigation, and when you want to put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view there too. There you go. As well, you've got your settings, and again, you can touch on each thing, slide through, things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. You have your volume and tuner, and down below you've got dual climate control for the comfort of driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats, again, driver and passenger. You also have front and rear defrost, AC and max AC, and then down below there's your auto stop start, then your hazard lights, traction control, there's your steering wheel feel, and your drive mode. So as we toggle through, you're going to see it appear on your dash. So there's normal steering, then you have sport, comfort, and back around again. And then for your modes, you've got normal. You're going to see that to the right with a little car, or sorry, to the left with a little car. Then you have sport, toggle again, and again you're seeing your dash change its look as you go through and toggle. There's track, that could be fun, and drag strip, even more fun, snow wet, and then back around again. Down below you have your USB outlet. There's your automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes right beside the driver, and then you have a couple of cup holders. You got the rings there for the ambient lighting. The armrest opens up, you've got that nice stitching on it as well, and you've got a USB and 12 volt as well, a little bit of storage. Off to the side, your locking glove compartment. Up above, you're having a rimless automatic dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, and you also have your lighting controls located there. High gloss, black painted wheel. You have the body striping, body colored door handle, driver side capless easy fuel gas filler, pedestal spoiler. You have your backup camera just above the GT badge, and you're seeing the California special badging as well to the right. You have backup sensors on your bumper and quad exhaust. And then when you want to release the trunk, you can do so from inside, but you can also do it with your fob. Just a double click and it lets it pop open, and then you just put your hand underneath and lift right up. Inside it's nicely carpeted and quite big. You're seeing the speaker there, and it's a B&O sound system in this vehicle. You also have your extra carpeted mats, and then when you're ready to close everything up, you just put your hand on the top, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. You're the kind of person that likes to share in the fun. So you've powered the front seat forward and brought the back of the seat ahead. You now can have 2 people in the back to enjoy the ride with you. And it's a 50-50 split back here. So what you do is you pull the tab, and if you need access to the trunk, that's how you gain it. And then you just push it back up. It's in the upright position. At the base, there's anchors to be able to tether baby seats. And on the back of the seat, there's slim pockets, as well as the clip to bring it forward, and you've got a seat belt minder. LED tail lights, pedestal spoiler, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.